Hey everyone, it's Eric with FirearmTutorials.com, and I wanted to talk to you about, obviously the YouTube new policies about gun content, reloading and stuff like that. So I'm going to do a live stream. It's going to be Thursday, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. I've never done a live stream before, so it should be interesting. But 9:30 till whenever, depends who shows up, if anyone shows up. Could be me talking to one person, whatever. So I wanted to go ahead and try that out, get it done just in case, whatever happens if they shut the channel down or whatever. So I'm cleaning up the workshop for that, but I'm going to try and make it a little more interesting than just people asking questions and me answering. I want it to be a little more interactive. So I am going to spin you around here. I'm going to fill the board here with all the good stuff. And I've got, this is the setup I'll be using, so I'll use one of these cameras and then a long cord so I can actually kind of take it around the room. And then I might try and use a lavalier mic just so the audio is better. You can actually hear me as I walk around the room. I'll try and see if I can get that working. So again, 9:30 Thursday, I'll put the date up there. I'm also going to go through, as I'm cleaning this stuff up, get some old stuff that I never use, and I'll just do it as giveaways during the live stream. So I mentioned the Lee hand press over there, which I don't use anymore. I'll give that away. I'll include, I have a spare set of 45 ACP dies, so I'll throw that in there, and then I'll include some brass and probably some projectiles too, if I can, depending on how it fits in the packaging and whatnot. So I'll give that away, and then, I don't know, I have some other random stuff around here that I know I don't use that somebody else could use. I think I have some rings, like scope rings and stuff like that. So I'll work on that between now and Thursday. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope to see you there. Like I said, I'll be giving away some things. Any and all questions are welcome. And then, like I said, it'll be a little interactive thing. I'll do some show and tell here. I'll have some stuff out there on the wall that I've never actually shown in videos before. Not that it's anything super special, but it's just something that I've got a couple things that I've never shown before. So that's it, guys. Hope to see you there, and thanks for watching.